Andy from Flushmate here. Today I'm going to show you some tips on how to bring your Flushmate back into service after winterizing the unit. Before you begin, make sure you read and understand the entire installation and owner's manuals. Because Flushmate systems are pressurized, make sure you completely shut off the water supply to the unit and flush it to release pressure. Failure to do so could result in damage or injury. The tools you'll need include a small bucket and towel so that we can flush out the water supply line. Make sure the water supply valve is in the off position by turning the valve handle clockwise or to the right. Flush the toilet to verify the vessel is not pressurized. Disconnect the water supply line. With the water supply line in the bucket, turn the water supply valve on by turning it counterclockwise or to the left. You need 1 gallon of water in 30 seconds for the Flushmate FM3503 series and 2 gallons of water in 30 seconds for the Flushmate FM4504 series Flushmate. If you are not getting sufficient water pressure, you may have a plugged water supply line or faulty shutoff valve. Use your towel to clean up any water on the floor. Now, attach the water supply line to the lower supply inlet shank. Open the supply valve all the way, turning counterclockwise or to the left. Check for leaks at the water supply line connection to the lower supply inlet shank. Once the water flow has stopped and is completely silent, the Flushmate is pressurized and ready to flush. It could take up to 1 minute for the unit to initially pressurize. When colder days return and you're ready to winterize your Flushmate again, watch the Winterizing Your Flushmate video for tips on how to get your Flushmate ready for winter. See that video and others on our website at www.flushmate.com/resource. For technical support and resources, you can contact Flushmate using the information below. Thank you.